If you are a credit restoration company or if you're trying to repair your own credit, you definitely want to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare your first dispute rounds or any dispute rounds using the Client Dispute Manager activity log. Now, this is going to be a 6-part series on how to prepare your dispute rounds the right way. Now, let me show you how to do this. Now, before we get started with this, I want to explain to you is that I'm going to show you from the perspective of a credit restoration company, because we are going to be using the software, the credit repair software. So I'm going to show you from the perspective of a credit repair company who just interviewed their customer with their customer's credit report. So basically, the credit repair company interviewed the customer told them all the inaccurate information that they had on the credit report, and the credit restoration company logged all of this information in the activity log. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the activity log in the Client Dispute Manager to prepare for your first dispute rounds. Now, if you are working on your own credit, you can do the same thing. It doesn't really matter. You can take great notes in the activity log and you can do the same thing. So let me show you right now. I'm going to go into the Client Dispute Manager and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm so excited about the activity log. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go right over here to the software. All right, so we are on the Client Dispute Manager screen, and I'm going to show you right now, and I'm going to show you the activity log. I'm going to show you the notes that I took when I interviewed the customer, okay? So let me show you right now. So I'm on the Dispute Manager screen. This is my customer, Mark Claiborne, which is me. We're going to go directly to the Credit Bureau screen because this is where we keep all of our inaccurate information that we're going to use to prepare for the first dispute round. We keep it right here inside of the Credit Bureau section of the software. So the activity log is right here. So I'm going to click on that right there. So what is good about the activity log? Let me explain to you what's really good about this activity log and how you can maneuver the activity log around the dispute manager screen. Let me show you. Here's what's good about it. Because with the activity log, you can move it anywhere you want. As you can see, I'm bringing it all the way down here. I can bring it up like that. I can bring it over to the right. And the reason why you want to do this is because it gives you the opportunity to work in the background, right? You can work in the background and look at the activity log at the same time. And that's the flexibility. You can work in the background and look at your notes at the same time. Now, this is what I call preparing for disputing. It's very important that you know what you're doing. It's very important that you're looking at your notes, right? So let's take a look at that right now. All right, so what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is the customer that I interviewed, which is Mark Claiborne. And these are all the notes right here. Well, Mark Claiborne is me. So basically, I interviewed myself, and Bank of America, I looked at the count. It said the balance on the tax lien is wrong. It's supposed to be wrong. Let's correct that. Okay. It's supposed to be wrong. We're going to correct that. BB Bank, the customer stated that the open date on the account is not reporting correctly. Citibank, the customer stated that she paid the account, but Midland is still reporting on the credit report. Midland, the account is not mine. Not sure why it's here. Okay, again, so what I can do right now is, because I have the flexibility of moving the activity log around, I can go ahead and do my first dispute round based off the notes that when I interviewed the customer, right? So I can do my first dispute round based off of the notes because I have all of my notes in the activity log. And I also have the activity log popped up so I can work in the background while I see my notes. So I can go back and forth like this. Now, this is very important for disputers, right? It's very important if you're trying to fix your own credit report because you have your notes there. Your notes is where all of it happens. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Let me show you how easy it is using the activity log. So what I'm going to do is just move the activity log here so I can still see my notes right here, right? So Bank of America, I'm going to use a custom dispute reason, and I'm going to say, I'm going to look down here, the balance on the tax lien is wrong. I'm going to say the balance on the tax lien should be 0. Please fix or delete. Okay, so I'm going to click add your dispute. I'm going to pick a letter first. Let me pick a letter. Look how easy it is to pick a dispute letter. Look how easy it is. Look, it's really easy to pick a dispute letter, any of the dispute letters, while you still have the activity log up. Okay, check this out. I'm going to bring it down. I already picked my dispute letter right here. You see that? I can pick any of the dispute letters. You see this? I can pick any dispute letter while I have the activity log up and ready, okay? So I pick initial dispute right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on add your dispute. Okay, look at that. It added the dispute while the activity log is still up and moving around. Now I can do all of this while the activity log is still up in my face, right? Because that's what you want. You want the activity log to be right there in your face so you can see all of the notes that you have from your customer or for yourself, right? Because remember, you got to look at your credit report. If you're fixing your own credit report, you have to look at your credit report and then you want to take notes on all the issues, right? That's wrong with your credit report. Okay. Or if you're working on somebody's credit report, your customer, and you provide you wrote down detailed notes in the activity log, you want to be able to have those notes up while you're preparing a accurate dispute. Okay, so let's go back and let's go ahead and finish here. So let's go to the next one, BB Bank right here. The open date is wrong, so let's go ahead and do another custom reason. Okay, the open date is wrong. It should be December 12th. Please correct and get back with me ASAP. All right, so watch this. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna block it, right? And I'm gonna click add your dispute. See, look at that. It added the dispute right there. See that? BB Bank. All right, let's look at the next one. We're gonna move it over here. And let's say Citibank, the customer stated that she paid the account. Okay, she paid the account. Well, you know she is not me, right? Right? It says she paid the account. I'm not a she. All right. So let's go back. All right. So the customer stated that she paid the account, but Midland is still reporting the account. Okay, so look at this. I'm able to dispute while the activity log is still there. Okay. I paid this account before it went to collections. Please delete ASAP and send me a full credit report. Okay, and let's go ahead and click add your dispute. All right, one more. Look at that. Activity log still up. I can still see all of the notes, anything I want to see, anything the customer sent me, any notes that I put down if I was working on my credit report. I can still see it while the activity log is up. Guys, this is a big deal. I'm telling you, it's a big deal. It's a big deal when it comes to disputing the right way for your customer, okay? Or for yourself, okay? So let's go back. Let's do the last one. Midland. The account is not mine. Okay. The account is not mine. Okay, let's go here. The account is not mine. Not sure where it came from. Please remove ASAP. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click add your dispute. And we're done, ladies and gentlemen. We're done. Let's go ahead and watch how quick I send this. Watch how quick I send this to bulk print. Boom. Done. Sent it to bulk print. Prepare my disputes. Have my activity log up the same time. I was able to look at my activity notes and prepare my disputes. Guys, this is the exact way. You have to prepare your disputes the right way. Okay, you got to go off based on what your customer is telling you, and you have to go off the facts, the factual disputing off of the credit report. The activity logs makes it so much easier because you can see exactly what's happening. Let me show you one more thing with activity log really quick. One more thing. Okay, not only this is where it says disputes. This is where you log all of your dispute information. General, you can put anything there. Smart interviewer is basically where if you can interview the customer in person, you can put notes there. Customer interview, again, that's another one. Plan of action, this pretty much details exactly what you're going to do next on this file. If you're working on this file, like what are you going to do next? Like what's your next step? Call log basically tracks the calls that you have with your customers. You know, like once they're a customer, right? When they become a customer, they're already a customer. This is how you track their calls. Employee log. Okay, this is employee log, and then flag notes. Flag notes basically means, if you want to flag a particular account because something's wrong with the account, a customer's not responding to you, then you can flag that particular account. Again, this is the activity log in the Client Dispute Manager, the credit repair software. This is the first video out of a series of 6 where I'm going to show you how to be a better disputer using the Client Dispute Manager. Look, if you are not a current software member, this is the time. I want to give you a free 30-day trial. No questions asked, no credit card required. Free 30-day trial. Try it out. Take it for a test ride. If you like it, good. Join the family. If you don't like it, I understand. All you have to do is click the link anywhere you see below this video. Become a client dispute manager, superstar family member, and I'll see you on the other side.